Hey, I'm Monty, a product manager at Xbox. I actually got my start as a software developer, not knowing much about product management. I had my first opportunity to experience product management in the aerospace industry, working on IT systems and airplane programs. I then had a chance to come over to Microsoft and work on Bing and search and functionality around advertising. And then I landed my dream job here at Xbox, working on products for partners who make games for Xbox. Yeah, I work on a mix of projects, both technical and business related. I have the opportunity to work with people who are making games for Xbox. And when I was part of the Xbox Cloud Gaming team, we made features and functionality for partners that how they could optimize their games for the cloud. Typical day in the life of a product manager, I would say there's no typical day. But there are a lot of typical events and activities that you do throughout the day. I actually manage a team of product managers, and we do a lot of stand-ups and check-ins on a variety of projects that are going on throughout the day. There's also a lot of planning that happens. Planning with stakeholders, planning with all the various partners across the organization, and a lot of organizing of events of, hey, what goes before what, and so prioritizing a lot of key features. The tools that are essential in a product management role, I say, are planning tools like Azure DevOps as an example, a variety of PM tools like Project or Agile tools, general just Office tools like Excel, and like I mentioned earlier, data tools are very important. So things as basic as Excel to more complicated like Power BI. Yeah, I think just in general, it's important for product managers to be always learning, be curious, I think really understand the industry that you're in and the products that you're building for the users that you're building them for. I think how I do that is definitely through blogs, through different articles online. I also do a lot of training, like this specific Coursera class, as well as tool trainings, agile trainings that are out there, and those are some of the things that I look at today. Yeah, AI today is still early, and we're still figuring it out, even in our organization and my team. I think how I use AI today is mostly around if there's a lot of meetings that you get pulled into as a product manager, and you can't always attend all of them. So I use AI to give me summaries and action items from a lot of the key meeting takeaways. I also use AI to help me balance my inbox, which is, as a product manager, you get a lot of mail. And so how do you stay on top of all that mail? I usually ask AI to tell me what are my top priorities in my mail. I think in future, where I see AI in gaming is, how do we continue to help developers and game makers make games even easier and quicker? As we know, games are becoming more expensive to make. And so how do we use AI to enable our creators to build games faster? Some advice that I'd give to an aspiring product manager is try it out, stay curious. Like I came from a software development background, but I was curious to learn about product management. There are things that you can do today to get up to speed, like this course, like to learn the language of product management and best practices, and find a mentor. Find someone who's in the space who can coach you and guide you. The 30-second elevator pitch that I'd give to someone is, would you want a cool job where you impact a ton of customers, and either internally or externally, and you get to see your products being used by others? Then this is a role for you. For me personally, I have the opportunity for Xbox players and fans to be able to check out games and features that I've made. And so to me, that's super energizing.